The ISPE Exchange is a great way to connect with fellow ISPE members. So we'd like to give you an overview and have you join a community or a few. So you will access the ISPE Exchange from the home page. You click this button right here, ISPE Exchange. It's going to redirect you. I'm already signed in, but if I wasn't signed in, you would just have a sign-in option here. So as you can see, the first section is going to be the member dashboard. And this is where you can view your inbox, update your member profile, join networks. You can view anything that you've contributed to the ISPE Exchange. You can post a message and join a community. So the first step would be to update a profile, make sure that everything is correct. So add a headshot, make sure your information is updated, and any information you'd like to share with anyone who's on the ISPE Exchange, you can just add here. So next, if you want to join a community, so special interest groups, if I want to join a special interest group, you just find one that interests you and select join. You'll confirm the email address that you'll be using for it, as well as how often you'd like to hear about messages or discussion within that one specific SIG or community. So if you subscribe to and join several, you'll choose this for each one. And you can always choose to opt out of receiving the emails, but then you won't really be kind of active in what's going on. And then yes, click yes or hit cancel. So that's how you join a community. If you want to post a message, you select here, and you can only post a message in a community that you are involved in. So all member discussion is available to everyone. And then these are communities that I already joined. So I can connect and talk to anyone in these communities. All right. So you'll create your subject, you can text in here, and then you can add attachments if you would like. You can send, schedule for later, or save as a draft if you're kind of working on things. All right, so the other thing is we have this little quick access where it's my communities and then mentor match. So this is our mentor program, and you can join. We have plenty of information here. You can join as a mentor or mentee. You can join as both. So you are not limited to choosing one or the other. We also have a search functionality for mentor-mentee and some tips to help you have a successful mentor relationship. So we can also look at the member directory. So if you want to search by first name, last name, if you're searching for someone that works at a certain company, or if you have their email address. Alternatively, you can do an advanced search, which gives you the option to search by location. So if you're trying to find someone that's in your local area, you can do it this way, or you can search by if someone's part of a community. All right, so here you'll see a snapshot of the latest discussions. And to read the discussion, you just click on the title. And you have a few options. You can choose this down arrow. You can reply privately. You can pin to the top. So if it's something that you're really interested in, you can pin to the top of your page. So you can reply to the message. So I'm not a member of the student council, so it's going to ask me to join first. And once you join, then you can reply. And then you can send this, and it'll just keep a thread going of what other people are discussing. So we'll scroll down. You'll see that we have announcements, upcoming webinars, and our latest tweets. So we look forward to having you join a community. You can also scroll up to this participate and hit the down arrow. You'll see frequently asked questions. This is a great place to go if you're new to the exchange, and a great way to kind of get some of the questions that you might have. So under the participate tab, you can use the down arrow, and if you have any questions or need some help, this is a great place to go. We have a frequently asked question document that kind of highlights all of the things that you may have questions about, especially if you're new to joining the community. So we look forward to having you join any of our communities, and thank you. We look forward to having you join the ISPE Exchange and join the communities. We look forward to having you join the ISPE Exchange. We look forward to having you become a part of the ISPE Exchange and join the communities.